This is a love reading for you, Aries, for you and your love interest. In this reading, I'm going to do a heart shaped spread, where in this heart shaped spread, the cards on my left will be for you, and for your partner will be on the right. Now, this could be, since this is a general reading, this reading could be for your ex, or it may pick up a energy with your closest friend. So it's a general reading, not everything will resonate with all Aries, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So let us see how's the guidance. So, who are you, Aries, in the relationship? Who is your partner? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from, and how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, first of all, I get a card of celebration for you, Aries. You're very, very happy that you are with this person, and there is just, you feel every day is a blessing or a joy, and you're enjoying every moment being with this person. Also, I'm seeing is a guidance where your family is also very happy that you are with someone or they like this person a lot. So, there is overall a very welcoming energy that I'm seeing with you and your love interest. You're very, very happy, Aries, that you are with this person. Your partner is also very passionate, and he or she also feels this is a divine gift or gift of a god, or you meeting this person or the partner is has something to do with the divine connection. So your partner also feels very connected with you and feels the two of you have a very special connection with each other. So I'm seeing here is two people who are very, very happy that they have found each other, that they are together, and they seem to value the relationship a lot. So, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? So, your strength is you're very cautious, Aries. You're not someone who moves fast, and you take every step with lot of thought, and there is no rush or hurry in you. You're moving with lot of caution, and you're also very careful with money. You're not splurging, or you're not trying to pamper your partner. You are going very matter of factly trying to save money, and some of you may be, but the two of you may be going on very budgeted dates or very budgeted dinners or holidays. Now, what is the strength or challenges your partner is bringing? Your partner is a very easy to get along person. He or she may be having lot of admirers, and he or she is very flexible, so you're hardly ever trying, Aries, to make your point or get across to your partner. Your partner is always very easily under, approachable, bends very easily, is very flexible, and is very easy to get along with. Just a very beautiful, non complicated energy about your partner. He or she is just, is just someone who goes with the flow. So I don't see the two of you have any arguments at all. It's just such beautiful cards here. So, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as someone who's had a certain fight or carries a certain hurt from the past but is starting to heal. It's quite possible some of you may be dating Aries, some of you may be dating a person who's had a divorce before or has been separated or had a very, very mighty breakup and was hurt for too long. So you see your partner as someone who's recovering from a hurt and seems to have a very glowing, beautiful heart as I see it. Your partner sees you, Aries, as someone who's very rich, very well to do, and has a very good family ties. It's almost like your grandparents are very involved with you, your parents are very involved with you, and you're very well to do and you're very supported. And that's exactly how your partner sees you, that you're someone very well to do, very supported, and overall doing very well. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about this partner, and what is the hope or fear your partner has about the future with you? Mm, First of all, these are not very bad cards, but this is a guidance of a fight. So sometimes you feel maybe the two of you may get into a fight, since you both don't seem to fight right now. You're just thinking, Aries, that how would things be if and when you get into a fight. So this is just a certain fear that you have about the future. And I would say, looking at the cards, this worry is unfounded. You shouldn't be worrying for no reason. Now, what is the hope or fear your partner has about you, Aries? Your partner feels you may be hiding things, and that there may be certain secrets your partner doesn't know about you, and in the future, your partner may come to know certain things about you which you seem to be hiding or not telling. So, first of all, the two of you need to tell everything, and you both need to be more assured about this relationship. Also, this fear is not something big the two of you have, but it's just a thought that probably crosses your mind. Now, what is the past you are coming from, Aries, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So, first of all, you know how to create a win, Aries. You are someone who will work long and hard, speak and as much to make an understanding, and you know how to create a win. Also, Aries, you know that if you want this person, engagement will happen, marriage will happen. You're very, very sure about it. What is the past your partner is coming from? He or she is very, very understanding and is very real. He or she connects with you on a lot of levels, and is able to understand the practical, emotional, rational, all different sides about you. Your partner is very deep. He or she could be experiencing a lot of intuitive gifts also. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? First of all, this relationship is for the keeps, you know, and it brings a period of lot of success and luxury for the two of you. So, just being together, the two of you are going to be very well off and lead a very good life. I'm also seeing a certain pregnancy, or you both walking into life of goodness eventually. So it's a very beautiful set of cards, and it's all looking very promising for you, Aries, and your partner.